So now we are going to make our homemade jik or bleach, and the ingredients here are very small, just 4 of them. And here we have our caustic powder, we have our chlorine, we have our soda ash, and our perfume, and then our water. For us, we are using our 5-liter water to make this jik. So we are going to start by pouring the water into our bucket. Now this is different from the homemade liquid soap we made. The other one you start with the ingredients and then you add water as you continue. But this one you start with adding the water. So that is our 5 liters water. And now this is our caustic powder. Here, make sure the disposals, you dispose them very well to avoid the kids to play with them. And then you're going to add our chlorine. My cousin likes it. That's our chlorine. And then you're going to add our soda ash or industrial, because it has already started smelling the jik. So let me just dispose this first. Hey, this is not with that. Then let's stir it for 30 minutes. You stir it until you see the particles have dissolved very well. Time for videographer. Take part. So guys, if you can look very clearly, the particles have already dissolved. You can even feel it is free from particles when you are stirring this. And now we are going to store it. We cover it and then we are going to store it for 3 days, and we will be showing you the results. So you stay tuned, you wait for the results. We also want to see how it will turn out. Cindy, babe. So we are covering it up and store it in a well-placed area, somewhere where there will be no disturbance. And I think here is okay. Cindy, there is no a child huku mwenye atazunguka. Zunguka. Yeah. So that is it. Let's wait for the result after 3 days. For now, we just want to say bye. We are so glad to share with you these tips. Hi guys, welcome back. So today is Sunday and we are going to filter our jik that we made it on Thursday. So today is the 3rd day and I want to show you how it has turned out. You see? So the jik is ready and we want to filter it to another bucket and then we store it here. But before we store it, we are going to add our perfume. So let's filter our jik from the red bucket to the blue one. Slowly but slowly. So let's filter. this one to stay also. We wait for some few minutes and then we filter it. Slowly by slowly. So that is the residue. And now this is our jig. So let's add this perfume. The jig is ready. So we can store it then. So tunaistore into this container. Basi tunafanya sijui itastoikaje. So we are to end this video here. Tumetengeneza jig yetu na tumepata 5 liters, as you can see there, and the residue is there. Tunaendelea kuichunga step by step. So I'm going to try this jig out and I will show you the result. I'm going to soak my white sheet and Bev's white shirt and then I will show you if it's working and if it's worth the money that we bought the product. See you on our next video and continue to watch our other videos. We are going to put the link here. Bye.